The beginning of salvation is God. The beginning of faith is God. The beginning of prayer is God. The beginning of fasting is God. The beginning of soul winning is God. The beginning of knowledge is God. The beginning of wisdom is God. The beginning of man is God. Therefore, activities without God is acting. Isaiah 29 and verse 13. He said, for as much as these people draw near me with their mouth and with their tongue, with their lips do honor me, but they have removed their heart far from me. Therefore, let us go back to the beginning. Let us go back to God. Martha was full of activity, but he did not put God into the equation of her activity, and that activity was reduced to acting, to drama. Beloved, the beginning of our stewardship is God. Let us go back to the beginning. Let us go back to God. And as we do today, every of your activity will not be reduced to acting, but rather it will bring you into eternal remembrance.